Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are one of the most popular candies in the world, loved for their perfect balance of chocolate and peanut butter. Many people enjoy eating them without ever thinking about how they are made. Behind each candy is a carefully designed process that blends ingredients, machines, and quality control to create the familiar treat. The process begins with the chocolate, which is the shell of the peanut butter cup. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans, which are harvested in tropical countries. Once the beans are collected, they are fermented, dried, roasted, and then ground into a thick paste called cocoa liquor. Cocoa liquor contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. The cocoa solids give chocolate its flavor, while cocoa butter gives it the smooth texture. Sugar and milk are added to the chocolate to create the sweet, creamy milk chocolate that covers Reese's peanut butter cups. The chocolate is then tempered. Tempering is a process of carefully heating and cooling chocolate to stabilize it. Tempered chocolate has a glossy finish, a firm snap when broken, and melts evenly in the mouth. This step is important because it ensures that the chocolate coating of the peanut butter cup will look appealing and hold its shape. While the chocolate is being prepared, the peanut butter filling is made. The filling is not the same as the peanut butter you might spread on bread at home. It is a specially formulated mixture designed to hold its shape inside the chocolate cup. It combines roasted peanuts, sugar, salt, and a small amount of stabilizers and oils to create a smooth, slightly firm texture. The peanuts used in Reese's peanut butter cups are roasted until golden brown to enhance their flavor. After roasting, they are chopped or ground to the right consistency. Too coarse and the filling would feel gritty, too fine and it would be overly soft. Sugar is carefully measured to balance the natural nutty flavor, and salt is added to bring out the richness of the chocolate and peanuts. All of these ingredients are blended together in large industrial mixers until they form a uniform paste. The result is a peanut butter mixture that is creamy, sweet, slightly salty, and perfect for molding into cups. Once both the chocolate and peanut butter are ready, production begins on the factory floor. Large machines, some as tall as a person, are designed to create thousands of peanut butter cups every hour. The first step is to form the chocolate cups. Machines deposit melted chocolate into round molds. The molds are carefully calibrated so that each cup has the same thickness and shape. After the chocolate is poured into the molds, some of it is removed too. Create a hollow shell for the peanut butter. The chocolate molds then move along a conveyor belt and are cooled, allowing the chocolate to harden. Cooling is done quickly but carefully, because if the chocolate cools too fast or too slow, it could lose its glossy finish or develop cracks. After the chocolate shells are set, the peanut butter filling is added. Specialized machines drop measured amounts of peanut butter into each chocolate cup. Accuracy is key here, because the balance of chocolate to peanut butter is what makes Reese's so enjoyable too. Much peanut butter, and the cup could overflow. Too little, and the chocolate would dominate. Once the peanut butter is in place, a layer of chocolate is poured on top to seal them a cup. This top layer must be just the right thickness to hold the filling and create the signature chocolate peanut butter ratio. The cups then go through another cooling phase to harden the chocolate completely. Throughout this process, quality control is very strict. Workers and machines constantly check the size, weight, appearance of each cup. Any cup that is too small, misshapen, or has air bubbles is removed. The goal is to ensure that every Reese's peanut butter cup looks and tastes exactly like the ones customers expect. Automation helps produce candy quickly and consistently, but humans still oversee production to catch any irregularities. Once the chocolate and peanut butter cups are formed and cooled, they move to the packaging stage. Packaging is an important part of the production process because it keeps the candy fresh and makes it easy for customers to enjoy. Each cup is wrapped in a bright orange paper that is instantly recognizable. Packaging machines are able to wrap hundreds of cups per minute, sealing them tightly to prevent the chocolate from melting or absorbing moisture. The wrapped cups are then grouped into larger boxes for shipment to stores. Careful attention is paid during packaging to avoid crushing the candy. The final package. Product is stored in temperature-controlled warehouses before being shipped across the country and around the world. The process of making Reese's peanut butter cups may seem simple when eating one, but it involves a combination of precise chemistry, engineering, and culinary skill. The chocolate and peanut butter are carefully formulated so that they complement each other perfectly. Chocolate must be smooth, shiny, in the right thickness, while peanut butter must be creamy, sweet, and firm enough to stay inside the cup. Even small changes in temperature, ingredient ratios, or cooling time could affect the final product. This is why factories follow exact formulas and procedures that have been refined over decades. Reese's also pays attention to flavor consistency. Chocolate can vary slightly depending on the batch of cocoa beans and peanuts can differ in flavor depending on where they are grown. To address this, factories often blend ingredients from multiple sources to achieve a consistent taste. The chocolate is tested for sweetness, cocoa content, and texture, while the peanut butter filling is checked for smoothness, flavor, and salt balance. These measures ensure that every Reese's peanut butter cup tastes like the ones people expect, whether they are bought in a small town in the United States or in another country halfway around the world. Beyond taste, the candy is designed to provide a specific eating experience. When you bite into a Reese's peanut butter cup, the chocolate should snap cleanly, giving way to the creamy peanut butter center. This combination of textures and flavors is the result of careful research and testing. Scientists and food engineers have spent years perfecting the chocolate to peanut butter ratio, the thickness of the chocolate shell, and the smoothness of the filling. The goal is to create a treat that melts in your mouth, delights your taste buds, and keeps people coming back for more. Reese's peanut butter cups are also a product of efficiency and scale. Making millions of cups every day requires machinery that can operate continuously without interruption. Conveyor belts, chocolate depositors, cooling tunnels, and packaging machines all work together in a well-coordinated system. Each machine is carefully maintained and operators monitor production closely to prevent breakdowns. The efficiency of the process ensures that candy stores and supermarkets are always stocked with fresh Reese's, even during peak seasons like Halloween and Christmas. Interestingly, the candy has remained largely the same since it was first introduced in 1928. While packaging designs and production methods have modernized, the core ingredients, chocolate and peanut butter, remain unchanged. This consistency has helped Reese's peanut butter cups become a trusted and beloved candy brand. Fans can count on the same taste, texture, and quality every time they enjoy a cup. Finally, the story of how Reese's peanut butter cups are made is a reminder of the science and artistry behind everyday foods. What seems like a simple treat is actually the result of precise ingredient selection, careful mixing, controlled temperatures, and high speed production techniques. Every cup combines the perfect amount of chocolate and peanut butter created through decades of refinement, testing, and quality control. From the cocoa bean to the wrapped candy in your hand, each step is carefully designed to ensure the candy is delicious, visually appealing, and consistent. The next time you enjoy a Reese's peanut butter cup, you can appreciate not just the taste, but the intricate process that made it possible. Behind that small, round chocolate treat lies a combination of food science, engineering, and a long history of perfecting a recipe that has delighted generations of candy lovers. It is a remarkable example of how simple ingredients can be transformed into something extraordinary with the right knowledge, equipment, and attention to detail. Every Reese's peanut butter cup is a little piece of candy engineering, carefully crafted so. And that chocolate and peanut butter come together perfectly in each bite,